Supabase or Convex. If you are tired of backend nightmares, one of these will save your sanity. But which one's actually worth it? Let's settle this in under 2 minutes. Supabase is the PostgreSQL powerhouse. Think Firebase, but open source, actually good. You get instant APIs, authentication, real-time updates, file storage in one package. It works great if you know SQL and want full control over your database. Their free tier gives you 10,000 users and Pro costs $25 monthly with predictable pricing. Convex is the TypeScript wizard that makes everything reactive by default. When data changes anywhere, your entire app updates instantly. Without any extra code, you don't need SQL knowledge, just write TypeScript functions and deploy. Building features is incredibly fast, but you have to follow their specific approach. Pricing scales with your app usage. Let me break down when to choose each one. Supabase works best for SaaS applications with complex database needs because of its SQL power. Convex dominates for real-time apps like chat apps or collaboration tools with its automatic updates. If your team knows SQL well, Supabase feels natural. If you are mostly front-end developers who want to avoid back-end complexity, Convex will save tons of time. For pricing, Supabase charges fixed monthly fees. Convex charges based on how much your apps gets used. So, here's the takeaway. Supabase is for developers who want database control and SQL power. Convex is for teams who want speed and automatic real-time features. Both platforms will save you months compared to building your own backend. Pick one, start building, and thank me later. Which team are you on? Comment below.